Artificial intelligence is transforming every industry, but organizations face growing pressure to govern AI responsibly. The challenge isn't simply building AI systems, it's ensuring they are trustworthy, compliant, ethical, and accountable. If you're preparing for the Artificial Intelligence Governance Professional AIGP certification, this video is for you. You'll work through expert-level AIGP practice questions covering governance frameworks, risk management, transparency, accountability, regulatory compliance, and responsible AI principles. These questions are designed to develop the analytical thinking needed to succeed on the certification exam and in real-world governance roles. Rather than memorizing answers, focus on the principles behind each decision. Let's begin. Question 1. An organization maintains extensive AI policies but has no process to verify whether business units actually follow them. What governance weakness exists? A. Lack of transparency. B. Lack of assurance mechanisms. C. Lack of model explainability. D. Lack of data quality. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. The correct answer is B. Lack of assurance mechanisms. Explanation. Policies alone do not create governance. Mature governance requires monitoring, auditing, control testing, and evidence collection to demonstrate compliance. Question 2. A regulator requests evidence showing that a high-risk AI system remains compliant after deployment. Which governance artifact would provide the strongest evidence? A. Original business case. B. Model development budget. C. Ongoing monitoring and control effectiveness reports. D. Vendor marketing documentation. Take 5 seconds to pause and select the correct answer. The correct answer is C. Ongoing monitoring and control effectiveness reports. Explanation. AIGP emphasizes continuous governance throughout the AI lifecycle. Monitoring reports demonstrate ongoing oversight rather than point-in-time compliance. Quick tip before we continue. If you're looking for additional exam-style AIGP practice questions, scenario-based assessments, and certification preparation resources, consider exploring certprep.io as part of your study plan. Now let's move into more advanced governance scenarios. Question 3. An AI vendor refuses to disclose model architecture details, citing intellectual property protections. The organization intends to use the solution for employee termination decisions. What should governance leaders be most concerned about? A. Vendor profitability and business viability. B. Hardware limitations and system capacity. C. Meeting accountability and explainability requirements. D. Network bandwidth and connectivity constraints. Pause for 5 seconds, then choose the correct answer. The correct answer is C. Meeting accountability and explainability requirements. Explanation. High-impact decisions require sufficient transparency and oversight. Governance leaders must ensure accountability even when using third-party AI systems. Question 4. A company adopts an AI governance framework aligned with international standards. 6 months later, a new regulation introduces additional requirements. What principles should guide the governance program? A. Governance frameworks should remain unchanged. B. Regulatory compliance is optional if standards are followed. C. Existing controls automatically satisfy new regulations. D. Governance must adapt to changing legal and risk environments. You have 5 seconds. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is D. Governance must adapt to changing legal and risk environments. Explanation. AI governance is dynamic. Organizations must continuously evaluate evolving legal, societal, and operational risks. Excellent work. Today, you worked through a series of challenging AIGP practice questions designed to test your understanding of AI governance principles and real-world decision-making scenarios. Remember, passing the AIGP exam isn't about memorization. It's about applying governance concepts effectively in practical situations. For additional practice questions, mock exams, and certification resources, visit certprep.io. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more AIGP exam preparation content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.